Good afternoon. This is C&M Woodworks, located 11105 Steel Street South, Tacoma. This is some of the artwork that we have done. The Seattle Mariners, completely made out of wood. We have our Christmas ornaments and our earring selection. This is a stocking holder stand. If you do not have a fireplace mantle, you can hang your stockings. This is a church pew that we did for a customer. And these are our logo t-shirts for $19.99. Our hanging lamp, our shelves. This is a barn door that we did. We did 2 of them for a customer. And we are proud of the Seattle Seahawks. And a table we did for a customer. And an entryway table that we did for another customer. As you can see, we are revamping the store. This coffee table will have a matching pair of end tables with the inlay of the tile, and each end table will have drawers in them. This is an entryway table as well we did for a customer with slate, inlaid with slate with 2 front drawers in it. Our deer, and we have Christmas ornaments as well over here that came from the Ukraine, and they are hand painted. They are gorgeous. These drawers open. They're really good size and length. The end tables will also have drawers in them and also open as well. This is our cherry wood ladder shelf. We are in the middle of building the end tables to match the coffee table, and we are making a cherry console. We are open Tuesday, Wednesday, and Saturdays from 9 to 4. The other 4 days we're building. And I'm in the middle of decorating right now for Christmas. These are our 2 crystal candles.